What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Anthony finally got back up here, so he's gonna do a lot of the filming. I got a quick minute, so we're just doing this intro. But we got some GTR action this week. Unfortunately, this motor's out, and you see that this one is there. We're pulling the motor out of Cheese's GTR tube. GTR drive shafts. We got it all tore down. We're going to be dropping it off in Atlanta to Tim Lynch. And then he's going to pull this one. We're going to take this one down there too. How's this going, Adrian?
It's going.
Day 2 of GTR engine removal.
Yep.
Today's Tuesday, guys. Y'all probably be seeing this Wednesday. But yeah, he did one Monday, and then now he's got to get this one out today. Having a fun week so far?
Oh yeah.
DHL just showed up.
Right.
Had to grab the camera. What's that say? Focus?
Straight from Australia.
Straight from Australia. Thought you said tomorrow.
That's what it said. I guess DHL is on point. 1 to 4 days from Australia once it ships out. Guys, we've been waiting for this since January, like end of January, and it's just now, what is it, June 13th. We actually seen PRP at Texas, and Herman went up to Artec because I told him, I was like, "Where's my manifold?" And well, he used words that I'm not going to use in this video, but he was just giving me a hard time. But Artec, I think it's just a really good product, and with really good companies that are starting small, just blew up, because this is like, it's kind of gives you that OEM with the aftermarket, like, because it's going to have the reliabilities, no problems, no leaks. But I know y'all are like dying to see what's in the box, so let me find a knife, and then let's get into this. But it's an Artec manifold for the Supra. All right, I found an opener. Should I do it? I'm not going to do it. That's not a knife. This is a knife. But guys, like I said, I've just been wanting to see one of these in person. And then this is the Big Daddy. So I'm hoping that my G40 fits on it, because I think the smallest turbo that can fit on it is a G42. So I might have to get a bigger turbo. That's a real problem. There's the Artec box. Let's see how these overnight parts from Australia are packed. And then we got a V-van housing too. All the good stuff. And there's the specs. Holy moly. Silver. Oh, that's a unit.
The box felt light.
Yeah.
It's pretty light.
Nice Artec V-band. Artec manifolds. And guys, they make like specialty heat blankets for these too.
Well, that casting is really good.
Yeah, that's the whole thing is.
Well, you can't really see them there, but
yeah.
the
So
casting's really clean.
Yeah, so they can cast it and flow it and all that. But I just think it's a really clean setup, and it's, well, trying to make a package that you don't have to service a lot. With tubular headers, you'll be in there like changing manifold gaskets, and they like to leak, like to crack. So I'm just trying to build a package that way it can make 1,000 horsepower and then be less maintenance. More horsepower, more maintenance. We're trying to meet a good middle zone. You know, it's like the triangle: cheap, reliable, and not expensive. But yeah, I think this is going to be real good going in the Supra. It's actually a day early, so that's awesome. We do have, well, actually this is supposed to come in this week, and then I'm hoping I get my harness back from Tweak for the Supra. So if that comes in this week, I'm going to try to get all I need to get is the valves and the buckets, because I'm going to go shinless buckets. And then I got a brand new head too. So got a brand new head, induction, built JZ, so it's good for 1200. And then I got GSC cams, ARP 675s, and then GSC valve springs, titanium retainers, gasket kit, new headlights, upgraded blinkers. I got the newer headlights. So
it's all coming together.
all coming together.
But
so
coming.
Might be more than just GTR content on the channel. And then we showed you, we got the RSX on Haltech. Hopefully, I'm thinking about ordering their manifold for it. Drop a comment below if you'd like to see the RSX with a Artec manifold. It's super sweet, and it runs it out the, like your exhaust, instead of having to go out the hood, you can actually put it back where it is. So real nice, sleek tubular manifold, looks just real clean. I actually picked up some floor mats in Texas. Just now thought about this, but I figured the car has a lot of HKS stuff on it, and so they had these in Texas at one of the booths, and it's actually for a right-hand drive Supra. So I'll be throwing these in too sometime today, and go from there.
Bump. Bump. Bump.
Clear.
A bit more of a bump. A bit more. Stop.
Do what?
It's a lot less mess when you've done it like recently.
Oh, good deal.
Well, it's out.
Do what?
It's out.
Yep. So cheese, we'll be sending it to Tim Lynch, hopefully next week, and then we'll get it back from him. Be back making 1,200.
1,200?
Yeah, I think this one makes 1,239, and the black one in there makes 1,100. So.
Are we gonna set these turbos on?
Yeah, actually, I just thought about that because I'm going to let him know. But we're going to send the turbos off to Boost Lab to go get gone through. He had one smoking, so we're going to just send both, let him get new seals and everything in them, and make sure when he gets it back, no issues. So, and Tim built this motor in 2018, so it's had a hard life. But yeah, a few owners. But guys, let us know what you think about that not Tim Lynch, Artec manifold for the JZ. We got parts rolling in for it, so hopefully we get to work on something of our own here soon. And I'm trying to think of anything else we got coming
Hopefully
up.
my parts come too.
Yep. So not only 2J stuff, 1J stuff, and then we get to play with the SC on ECU Masters, ECU Black. So that'll be coming up. So hit that subscribe and drop a comment below what you think about that new manifold. And Adrian, take us out.
Not my job.
Peace.
Anybody tell you it's gone way too far? No, nothing gonna help you when it falls apart. The prophets and the preachers told you, but you covered your ears, and now